Hello everybody, I'm Chris and this is the unboxing of the Sony RX100 Mark VA. Box itself still says Mark V, and if it wouldn't be for the labeling on the side that mentions Mark VA, you wouldn't really know that it is the Mark VA model. So let's see what's inside. It starts out European guarantee regulation and information, a French and Spanish user manual, quite a thick other user manual for various other languages, reference guide, registration, Wi-Fi connection guide, even more guides and even more guides. Finally, the very bottom, you can see the camera, a power adapter, USB, micro USB power cable, a wrist strap, 2 mounts for the wrist strap, and a battery. This is the camera itself. I will still make another video in regards to the differences between the Sony RX100 Mark VA compared to the Mark V and to the Mark VI. Thanks for watching.